Hi guys, and welcome to week 6 of our distance learning. Today's lesson is going to be about using math language. So a couple of the videos this week, the lessons this week are going to be about using math language, whether it's across or behind, in front, to the left, to the right. It could be under something, below something. But we're just going to use language for this one. So the only thing you need for this lesson is to pick 2 things. So you need to go off and find 2 things. The 2 things I've chosen are my emoji here and my sign that was on my desk, because it's going to be easy to use. Now, one of the objects is going to move. The other one is not really going to move. Okay? This is practicing our math language, because we're going to need to use these words, descriptive words, everywhere we go. Okay, and you'll even hear a lot of adults when we say it, hey, that's on top of something, or that's underneath this, or this is behind that. You guys need to be able to use those words right. Okay, so my emoji right now is sitting where? He is sitting on top. He is on top of my sign. Okay, so my emoji is on top. If I put my emoji up in the air like this and I hold him, is he on top of my sign? He's not on top, he's above it. So now there's a space here, and he is above it. So above the sign, on top of the sign. So he's physically touching it, okay? If I did this way, he is now what? He is beside the sign, beside the sign. So he's on top, now he's beside the sign. Now he's above. Okay, so we have on top, we have above, we have beside. Now I'm just going to move the sign one. What is he now? Other than looking silly, he is under. He is below, under or below the sign, right? Because it's on top now, so it means he's below or under the sign. Okay, so there's 4. Now if I want to get really specific, I could say he is to the left of the sign or to the right of the sign, if you want to get really technical with someone, if you have to give instructions, okay? But we can say beside if you like for now. All right, couple more. My emoji is what in relation to the sign? He is in front of the sign. So he is in front of the sign, which means you can't see the sign because he's in front of it. If he went from the front and he jumped over it, now he is behind the sign. Okay? So we had on top, above, beside or left, beside or right, underneath or below the sign, and that last one, what is it? In front or behind. Okay, those are very important words we use, guys, especially when we're coming to describe something. Like if we're in our classroom and we're trying to tell our friend where something is, we need to be able to say to them, hey, it's behind the coat. Or, hey, I think I saw your mitten. It's underneath the coat. That's behind the boots, right? There's lots of math language in there, lots of directional language in there that we need to learn to use, okay? So that's it for your lesson, guys. That's it. You can practice now with someone. If you can find a parent or an older brother or sister or a sibling, anybody else who can help you out, just pick 2 things and have them move it around, and you have to use your descriptive language to tell them where it is, okay? And see how many you can get right without anybody's help. All right? Perfect. All right, guys, good luck using this awesome language, okay? Descriptive language. Good luck, guys.